SolidWorks components parts. Before we begin looking at the software, it is important to understand the different components that make up a SolidWorks module. The first and most basic element of a SolidWorks model is a part. This is how a part looks like. Parts consist of primitive geometric and features such as extrude, revolution, lofts, sweeps, etc. Parts will be the building blocks for the models that you will create. The second component is the assembly. Assemblies are collection of parts which are assembled in a particular fashion using mates, which are constraints. This is assembly icon, as you can see here. Any complex model will usually consist of one or many assemblies. We will talk about this later in more details. The third and final component in SolidWorks is the drawing. This is its icon. A drawing is typically a way to represent a 3D model such that any engineer or any manufacturer can recreate your part or recreate your part. Drawings are important because they provide a standard way of sharing your design. So you will make a 3D design for, let's say, a table. Using drawing, you will be able to get that table, top, bottom, left and right, and any angle view, and you will be able to assign dimensions to each part easily. These dimensions and these drawings will be printed and handed to a manufacturer or an engineer who will use the information provided in that sheet or in the drawing sheet to create your item or part for you. You will add any additional detail you want in that sheet or in that drawing sheet. So consider it as a map of your part so that can be handled to a manufacturer to create the same exact part with the same exact dimension that you originally created the part with. So this is all for the three main SolidWorks components. See you next lesson.